Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn real rewards completely free by using Reestag AI, a powerful platform where AI meets earning. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an image using AI and instantly earn points. Points you can later turn into real money or invest for profits. First, click on Create Image from the main menu. Now, in the prompt box, write a description of the image you want. Let's try something fun. For example, an anime-style girl standing in a field of flowers, sunset background. Done? Great. Now hit the Generate button. Oh, that was fast. This is a really high-quality model. Just look at the details. And guess what? You've just earned 1 point, automatically. You didn't have to do anything extra. Just generate the image and boom, you get rewarded. This point will be added to your balance, and you can use it in different ways, like withdrawing real money or investing in the AI investment box for weekly or monthly rewards. Want more control over your images? You can choose from different styles: anime, cartoon, realistic, 3D render, even Ultra HD with 4K quality. You can also change aspect ratio, seed, or even use advanced prompts if you're creative. Let me show you how to earn points by generating voice, fast and simple. First, click on Create Voice from the menu. Now, just type your text. For example, hello and welcome to Reestag AI. Choose a voice, male, female, robotic. We've got many styles. Then click Generate, and in seconds, the audio is ready. You can listen, download, or reuse it. And guess what? You've just earned 1 point instantly. Keep generating, keep earning. You can convert points to real money or invest them for weekly rewards. Simple as that. I'll show you how to earn points just by chatting with our AI. Go to AI Chat from the main menu. Type any question or topic, like, give me 5 business ideas for students. Hit send, and boom, the AI replies instantly. And here's the cool part. Every time you send a message, you earn 1 point. It's just like talking to ChatGPT, but you're getting rewarded. Chat as much as you want, earn more points, and later, withdraw real money or invest your points for weekly profits. Start chatting now and let your curiosity make you richer. One of the most powerful features on Reestag AI is this. You can turn your points into real money easily. This is the Convert Points page. At the top, you'll see this note: minimum conversion amount, 1 point, 0.0001 USD. That means you can start converting with just 1 point. Points. In this field, enter points amount, type how many points you want to convert. Let's try 1 point. Below that, you'll see estimated amount, which tells you how much that's worth in USD. For example, 1 point equals 0.0001 USD. Once you're ready, click Convert. Then, your USD balance will be updated and the points will be deducted. Now let's talk about how to withdraw your money. Once you've converted your points into real USD, head over to the Withdraw section. When is a withdrawal option available? You'll see multiple payment options, but some might appear locked. If a method is locked, that means you haven't reached the minimum withdrawal amount yet. Once you reach the required amount, the method becomes available to click. Available withdrawal methods: 0 coin, minimum, 0.0001. This is the easiest and fastest way to withdraw. Great for beginners and small earnings. Choose your withdrawal method. Let's pick 0 coin, the fastest option with the lowest minimum. Here, you can see your balance. Enter your wallet address carefully. Make sure it's correct. This is where your money will go. Next, type the amount you want to withdraw. Now click Confirm Withdraw. Boom! Your money just arrived in your 0 coin wallet instantly. Keep generating images, voices, and chats. Earn points and withdraw real money anytime. Brighten up. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and stay updated with our latest features. Support Reestag AI, the platform that gives you free AI tools and actually rewards you for using them. Your creativity matters. Let's grow together.